What do you do? Sometimes he goes fishing?
Yeah, sometimes he got fish.
Yeah.
2 fish sometimes. Yeah. Now he does 2 fish.
And what do you do?
I catch 3 fish at the restaurant.
And you guys mow the lawn together?
Yeah.
Do you help Daddy?
Sometimes I'm afraid.
You're afraid of the lawnmower? It's pretty noisy.
Why? Why is pretty noisy?
Do you ever play hide and seek with Daddy? Yeah?
Yeah.
How do you do that?
Because I go tiptoe in the tree, in the high, and I close my eyes. And I catch a daddy hides. A daddy hides, and he closes his eyes.
And then what?
Then he started get it off, put it off, and sometimes I'll take it.